welcome back to Wicked Skatewear. Today we're going to learn how to measure our skates for the Wildbones sliders. Here we have an example of a Wildbones slider fitted correctly on a beach bunny. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to measure is the wheelbase, which is the space in between the two wheels. I highly suggest using a flexible measuring tape, as it'll make it easier for you to get a precise measure. So we're going to take our tape and we're going to place it on the edge of the wheel, stretch it taut across, and then we're going to put our finger at the end of where that would be, which it looks like a little bit over 4 inches and a quarter. Thankfully, Wildbones has this cute little sizing chart. For the measurement, we know that we can fit a mini, an itty bitty, a small, and a medium. A large looks like it'll be too big for us to be able to put on there, and that means the wheels will bite against the bone and cause you to stop. So we're gonna go with, for this one, a small. Now that we know which bone size to buy, the next thing we have to do is take off the trucks and measure the space in between the Kingpins. Depending on the manufacturer, they may have some washers or spacers put at the very, very top of the plate to make it so that the trucks fit better. If so, just take them off. You don't need them. Now that we have the trucks removed, we can measure in between the Kingpins. Get our flexible measuring tape, because it's just easier. Place it at the end. Now that we know that it's about 4 inches across, give or take a centimeter, we know what size hanger that we can get to put on our skate. Like before, Wildbones has this cute little sizing chart. We're going to find the closest measurement to what we have on here. So we were at 4 inches, we have 3 5/8, but then we have 4 5/8. 4 5/8 is going to be too big in my opinion, because they always say, match the number to the closest hanger size and round down if needed. I'm going to round down to be 3 5/8 because I know it's going to fit better. I have a size 5 hanger here with small bones attached to it. I'm going to show you how to put it on your skate. The great thing about the Wildbones sliders is you can fit them exactly in the middle because they can shift either way. That looks about right. So now I'm going to add on my trucks. A quick note, tighten your trucks all the way so it flattens out like it does here. That'll help keep them in place better. You can always readjust your trucks later to what you feel is best for you. If you're lucky, you'll be able to find your plate on the quick plate chart. It has the most commonly used plates that are available at this time, with the size of the plate and the coordinating hanger that goes along with it. This will not give you the size of bones that you need with it, only measuring will do that for you. Thank you so much for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you again soon, and we hope you found this useful and informational. Bye!